Hello everyone, welcome to Edist. Today we are back with another hiring alert, and this time the hiring alert is from Goldman Sachs. And this was a great opportunity for all the 2022 pass outs if you are looking for a full time opportunity at Goldman Sachs, and also a wonderful opportunity for 2023 pass outs, those who are looking for internships that Goldman Sachs is going to hire for summer interns for all the 2023 pass outs. Do not miss this opportunity. Follow along with me through this video so that I'll tell you how to apply for this job and what are the preparation strategies that you need to follow, so that would be really helpful to you. In this video I'm going to discuss about three things. One thing I'm going to discuss about the company, and second thing we are going to discuss about the expected test pattern and also how to register or apply to this job, and the third thing we're going to discuss about what all the preparation strategies that is needed for this job. So let's not waste our time and dive into the video. And before diving into the video, if you like our hiring alerts, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you can also do check out the Edist hiring alert playlist, so that whenever we uploaded a job, you will get a notification if you hit the bell icon. And do not hesitate to check out edist.com/jobs. There we found relevant and numerous jobs, so that if there is a job that matches your identity, then you can definitely apply and you can land into your dream job. Or else if there is any of your friend or senior looking for a job, you can always share those jobs to your seniors or friends, so that they will also get benefited. So here comes the good news, guys. Goldman Sachs is hiring in the form of engineering campus hiring program for all those 2022 and 2023 pass out students. They are going to hire as internships or also full-time opportunities for 2022 and 2023 pass outs. So the one thing we need to keep in mind is that the applications have already been open in July 22, and also the applications are going to close in August 15th. So watch this video till the end and then apply. Don't worry, the registration link is in the description, you can check it out. Watch this video so that I'll give you what are the registration tips that you need to follow, and also you'll come to understand the complete idea about the hiring process and what all the hacks that you need to follow. So let's look into the eligibility criteria and other details. Before that, we'll look into a brief about the company. The Goldman Sachs Group is an American multinational investment bank and also a financial services, and the company is headquartered in New York City. It offers services in investment management, securities, asset management, prime brokerage, and securities underwriting. It also provides investment banking to institutional investors. It was founded in 1869. It was 152 years ago, and the founders are Marcus Goldman and Samuel Sachs. This was all a brief about company. So let's look into the eligibility criteria and other details. So I have already discussed the registrations have already been started and is going to end by August 15. So the assessments are in this manner. It was divided into three different sections, and the first section is that you need to undergo an aptitude test, which was on August 22, and also a technical test, which was on first week of October 2021. And this is an elimination round. Those who have qualified the aptitude test, those only can appear for the technical test. And later you have a rejection here. Who have qualified the technical test, they can sit in the interviews, and then you can enter into your dream job of internship or the full-time offers if you could able to crack this interview. So let's discuss about the expected pattern of this aptitude test. So you can expect hold a lot of numerical questions and the logical questions. Those questions are really of high standard that was simply relatable to CAT exams or any GATE entrance exams. You can match difficulty to that reason, but do not worry, do check out the previous year papers. That would really help you to crack this job, so that these models will definitely repeat. And also the English section here, that was divided into quant, logical, and verbal section. The verbal section is very easy, so that anyone can answer it. There were many comprehension programs and sentence corrections, though easily you can crack, and also a good scoring section there. Coming to technical test, I'm expecting that you can have any MCQs. Technical MCQs are code snippets, including coding questions. So the coding questions, you need to be really good with data structures and algorithms, and also some competitive programming techniques. For that, do follow Edist daily coding challenges. This daily coding challenges is especially designed for all these product based or topmost service based companies or unicorn companies, so that would bolster your learning. And also by participating in Edist daily coding challenges, you can also win many goodies from Edist. So the top winners in the daily coding challenges will get Edist goodies, and there was also a random prize distribution for those who give an active participation. So do not waste your time and check out the Edist Daily Coding Challenges segment 2. And those who are able to crack the technical test, you can also sit in the interviews. The interviews are quite long, of 1 to 1.5 hours. They'll completely based upon your resume. You need to do very good projects, and they can also test your coding skills or your data structure skills. So that do not worry, do check out the Edist Advanced Data Structures to Algorithms Bootcamp, so that would really help you. So we'll discuss later about the preparation strategies. That's what's needed. And looking about the program is that the program is open to all engineering students in India across pre-final and final year of graduation and post-graduation. So it was into two categories. The 2022 new analyst, it is for graduation in 2022. For the 2022 pass out, the role is new analyst. They are taking for the analyst role for the full time. They're going to take in May or June. The intake is going to start. And for the 2023 graduate, they are going to hire you as an intern. That is for summer internships. The intake is going to take by April and July. So that one thing that you need to know is that in this event, Goldman Sachs visits your campus for internships or full-time recruitment, so that you are advised to apply directly through your respective campus placement processes. So you can also apply through this registration link also, but they'll cross-check with your campus. Let's look into the portal once, how it's looking like. So this was the portal. As you can see, I have posted many number of jobs. These are all many product-based and great unicorn companies. So if you found these jobs are relevant to you, please do apply without fail. And also you can check out the Goldman Sachs link here to unlock this application link. Do sign into this Edist portal so that you will get this application link, and you can also check out the suggested courses, and you can also read the complete description here, and you are definitely happy to read all this complete description. So let's look into the original application page once. This was the official application registration link. So this is quite messy. So once you enter into this is the interface that is going to look like. So engineering campus hiring program, you can check out the eligibility that I have mentioned. They have taken for 2 roles, new analyst and summer internships. So this is the complete overview. I would like to suggest that every candidate must read it once. So the registration link down in the description. So once you click on registration, it will render you to this page, so that here you can check out to apply to these jobs, summer analyst and new analyst, and you can also check out the other internships or work placements that was happening. So if you click on summer analyst, it will redirect to something like this, so that you can read out all this information that is provided. And then once you click apply, so they'll ask you what is the recruiting year. So you should mention 2022 and what are the position that you are applying for. So you can get the position for summer internship, because it was summer analyst or internship program. This is for 2023 pass outs, but you keep the recruiting year as 2022. That's not an issue. So once you apply for summer internship, and they'll ask you what is the program, it was summer analyst or summer associate. Based upon the reading, just read out the description once, so that you can fill it on your own, all these work locations and all other formalities. And as I have mentioned, this is also another role for new analyst or new associate. This was a full-time role for all these 2022 graduates, passed out candidates. So once you click this link, it will redirect to this page, and here you can check out, read out the description. Once you go to apply that, so it will give an interface like this. This is how you need to apply. So this is all the registration process. So there is also an FAQ section. Please do read out the FAQ section, and there was also given a lot of things, what is all going in detail, and if you have any queries that matching this FAQ question, this would really help you. So that's it guys, this is all complete registration steps. Now let's look into this, what all the preparation strategies that you need to follow. I know you are all waiting for that, how to prepare to it. So please do check out the Python programming course from Edist, Intro to Advanced course, and also do check out Java programming Intro to Advanced course, and also the Webmaster Bootcamp, so that it will really help you to cover all the projects that you have doing. And I really suggest you guys to have a good resume, and also a 2 to 3 decent projects that will really impress the interview panel, so that those projects maybe you can copy from any other way. I mean, you can try to emulate the project, but make sure that it should have some advanced technologies, or it should be something innovative and impressive to the interview panel. That's what the suggestion that given from my end. You can also check out Edist Advanced Algorithms Bootcamp course. That was really a wonderful course for you to really crack this type of unicorn companies. So that's all from my end guys. I hope you are completely crystal clear and confident enough to crack this job. So thank you very much for joining with me along to this video. I hope you have a good preparation and hustle hard. Thank you. I'll be back with another hiring alert.